Chapter 7: Building Your Personal Brand on LinkedIn. In today's professional landscape, building a strong personal brand is essential for career advancement and business success. LinkedIn provides a powerful platform to showcase your expertise, connect with professionals, and establish yourself as a thought leader. In Chapter 7, we will delve into the strategies and techniques for building a compelling personal brand on LinkedIn. By optimizing your profile, sharing valuable content, engaging with your network, and leveraging LinkedIn features, you can create a strong and influential presence on the platform. Optimizing your profile. Your LinkedIn profile is the foundation of your personal brand on the platform. Optimize your profile to make a strong first impression and highlight your professional achievements. Here are key elements to focus on. A. Professional headline. Craft a concise and attention-grabbing headline that showcases your expertise and unique value proposition. B. Profile picture. Choose a professional and high-quality profile picture that represents your personal brand and creates a positive impression. C. About section. Craft a compelling summary that highlights your skills, experience, and career accomplishments. Use keywords relevant to your industry to optimize your profile for search. D. Experience and education. Provide detailed information about your work experience and education, emphasizing key achievements and responsibilities. E. Skills and endorsements. List relevant skills and seek endorsements from colleagues and connections to showcase your expertise. Sharing valuable content. Sharing valuable content is a powerful way to establish yourself as a thought leader and engage with your network on LinkedIn. Create and curate content that is relevant to your industry, interests, and target audience. Here's how to do it effectively. A. Original content. Share your expertise by creating original articles, blog posts, or videos that provide valuable insights, actionable tips, or thought-provoking ideas. B. Curated content. Share relevant industry news, articles, or reports from reputable sources, accompanied by your insights or comments to add value to the content. C. Visual content. Leverage visual elements such as infographics, images, or videos to make your content more engaging and shareable. D. Consistency. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to stay top of mind with your network. Aim for a balance between quality and frequency. Engaging with your network. Engagement is key to building relationships and growing your personal brand on LinkedIn. Actively participate in discussions, comment on posts, and respond to comments on your own content. Here are some tips for effective engagement. A. Thoughtful comments. Leave insightful and thoughtful comments on posts by others. Add value to the conversation and spark meaningful discussions. B. Networking. Connect with professionals in your industry, colleagues, and thought leaders. Personalize your connection requests to foster a genuine connection. C. Responding to messages. Promptly respond to messages and inquiries to show professionalism and build relationships. D. Recommendations and endorsements. Give and receive recommendations and endorsements to showcase your expertise and build social proof. Leveraging LinkedIn features. LinkedIn offers several features that can enhance your personal brand and expand your reach. Familiarize yourself with these features and utilize them strategically. A. LinkedIn articles. Publish long-form articles on LinkedIn to share in-depth insights, showcase your expertise, and gain visibility. B. LinkedIn Live. Take advantage of the LinkedIn Live feature to host live video broadcasts, interviews, or webinars. It allows you to engage with your audience in real time and establish yourself as an expert in your field. C. LinkedIn groups. Join and actively participate in relevant LinkedIn groups to connect with professionals, engage in industry-specific discussions, and expand your network. D. LinkedIn events. Utilize the LinkedIn events feature to promote and organize virtual or in-person events. It helps you reach a targeted audience and generate interest in your offerings. Seeking recommendations and endorsements. Recommendations and endorsements play a crucial role in building credibility and trust on LinkedIn. Request recommendations from colleagues, clients, or partners who can speak to your skills and work ethic. Seek endorsements for your key skills to highlight your expertise and reinforce your personal brand. Monitoring and adjusting your personal brand strategy. Building a personal brand is an ongoing process, and it's essential to monitor your efforts and adjust your strategy as needed. Regularly review your LinkedIn analytics to gain insights into the performance of your posts, engagement levels, and overall profile visibility. Assess the type of content that resonates most with your audience and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Continuously refine your personal brand to align with your professional goals and the evolving needs of your target audience. By implementing these strategies, you can build a powerful personal brand on LinkedIn that attracts opportunities, establishes your expertise, and fosters valuable connections.